Hello and welcome to Doing video acting to Choo Choo Charles rap by JT Music called Honk If You're Hungry. This was uploaded yesterday, and the reason, I don't know. I was gonna explain the reason why I didn't upload this reaction yesterday, but I was lazy, so whatever. So yeah, let's just get into this. Boom.
If you're driven by your greed, here's a lesson I would heed. When you take more than you need, you'll have one massive mouth to feed. Running hide, I'm wide awake as I decide what shape I'll take this on the rail. Are you chewing on your nails? You want gold? Well, you struck it in the hole. Hell, you dug it. Sorry, Warren, you're no Buffett. Got insurance, hope you bug it. What resources might be worth risking your life? Never mind your purse, don't dig too deep, cause it might get worse. You'll dive right into my had to blow off a lot of steam, cause I'm inside of an undersized machine and just floss my teeth with the guy Eugene. Don't bother trying to find Sir Topham Hat and never ask me where's Thomas at. You don't want to push me because I'm pushed back. Trust me, I'm already out of track and about to crack open wide this egg. A lot more to me than spider legs. You want to stop digging for the minus sake. Something of mine that you'll never find a break. Welcome to Aeronero. That's a word. You should look it up. It's Latin, nerd. I'm just like a bridge. What keeps me running? You'll already know if you hear me coming better. Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Honk if you're running from me. Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry.
Like, I'm trying to think of anything to say, but my brain can't figure out the word.
I tend to fail at stopping. I can ride you right out of your minds, and then I'll drive you right out of your minds, and I'll leave your entire
I love the range.
Why? Cause I'm a little engine and good. If it's the end of the world, just roll with it. Toss some more coal on. I'm talking. I needed a cryptid to keep me in business. I didn't say crypto, but if you invested, I can promise y'all some long returns. Come on, trust me, followers. If your wallet's hurt, keep holding on. I'll send you home with a golden haul. Nothing insidious to expose at all. Even if there was, would you be so appalled? Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Honk if you're running from me. Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. He's salivating. His power's elevating. A smile made for vacant. Pain is all he's been creating. His children we have.
I do love that JT Music always just uses like gameplay.
Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Honk if you're running from me. Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry.
Okay. Thank you to the patrons of JT Music. That was an amazing song. I don't know, man. So yeah, if you like this video, please like the video, and if you want to see more of my reactions, please press the subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.